I wore the hand drag gloves. My fingers are so cold.
Back in 2021, I started a tradition on my bike where whenever we got our first snow, I'd take it out and ride.
Well guys, I don't plan on ending that tradition this year, so we're out on the Mini in the snow on supermoto wheels with no side covers on. We had to do it for the content though, you know? I wonder if we can wheelie. Yeah guys, it's like 30 degrees out. We got like 4 or 5 inches of snow, so I figured why not go out and test this thing in the snow. We don't have a snow kit for it, but you know, we'll take it out anyways. Oh man, this is funny. Let's hope we don't ruin anything. Yeah guys, just like look at all this snow. It's a lot of snow, man. Gotta be real light on the throttle. Especially in this stuff. It's so fun to spin it though. Good enough to wheelie? I think so. Tire tracks here. Oh my god. It's very icy, I will say that. Holy hell, it's icy. Yeah guys, this is just tradition at this point. I always gotta do it. People are looking at me like he is insane, which they're right. They're correct. Woo. So wet out, so snowy. Just sliding. Damn, dude. Look at that. All wet, all water. Well, melted snow, but... Let's keep it up. Whoa, I'm freezing now. These are just MX gloves. All right, can we get a one-hander on this? Never did I think I'd be wheeling in the snow like this. Oh my god. I wore the hand drag gloves. My fingers are so cold. See guys, once it snows, everybody drives like they have no clue how to drive. So, it's always interesting. Wheelies in the slush! Oh, and someone's U-turning in front of me! Just sliding. Whew. Little wheel spin there. Little wheel spin there. Little wheel spin everywhere. People gotta just be like, what the hell? They're already like, what the hell? When they see this little mini bike and me on it. But now with the snow and the freezing, they're like, what is going on? Guys, I think I'm literally just gonna go back now. It's so cold and this battery casing is getting so wet. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Your annual snow ride of the year. Every first snow we go and do it. Thanks for waiting for me, buddy. But yeah guys, I'm stupid, as you can tell. I'm gonna have to wipe this whole thing down now, but hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sticking with tradition, getting this snow ride in every single year. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I got plenty of content to come, and frostbite as well, so peace.
Oh, wet. I regret this.